Getting locked out of your phone after a reset is more common than you think. You turn on your device and suddenly it asks for a Google account. You don't remember it. This is called FRP, Factory Reset Protection. It's designed for security, but it can also lock out legitimate users who forget their credentials or buy a secondhand device. Today, I'm taking a look at Dr.Fone by Wondershare, a desktop tool that provides guided solutions for situations like FRP lock and device access issues. Once installed on your computer, Dr.Fone opens in a simple dashboard where you can select different tools, including the FRP unlock feature. No phone setup or advanced configuration needed for this walkthrough. When you open the FRP feature, Dr.Fone shows you a guided step-by-step interface. It explains what FRP is and then walks you through the entire process of selecting your Android device type. The setup then provides structured instructions inside the tool itself, helping users understand what steps would normally be required to remove the Google lock. What stands out here is that everything is centralized in one place. Instead of searching for multiple tutorials or technical steps online, you follow a guided workflow inside the software. It supports a wide range of Android devices and is designed to simplify the process as much as possible for non-technical users. Key highlights include guided FRP unlock workflow, supports multiple Android brands, designed for beginners, step-by-step instructions inside the software. There's also an online FRP assistance tool from Wondershare that provides similar guided support through the browser. So overall, this is not a manual hacking process. It's a guided software solution that helps users understand and navigate FRP lock situations more clearly. Just to wrap things up, Dr.Fone includes a full set of tools for both iPhone and Android devices. You've got screen unlock, system repair, phone backup, data recovery, virtual location, data eraser, phone transfer, and a password manager, all in one place. So instead of switching between multiple apps, everything is managed inside one simple dashboard. If you want to check it out, Dr.Fone is available through the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.